For this investigation, we're going to try and see how can I prove that air takes up space. So one thing that I'm going to do is if I take a cup of water or a cup, an empty cup, and I dip it in a bowl of water, I'm going to have water in the cup. You can see that. You can see it slosh around. You can see it move. It's a little more difficult with air. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to take a cup that's empty, and I'm going to push it down into the water, and now I have a cup full of air, and I know that it's full of air because if I tip it to the side, some of the air will come out. So the cup is not empty, it is full of something. I have evidence of that because the water level rose, which means it was pushing the water out of the way, and I can also show when I tip it off to the side, some of the air comes out. If I push enough of it out, you can actually see the line where there's some air and some water inside the cup.